Hello everyone, this is Alex. Today I want to introduce our DHVT series DC hipot to you. This one has two parts. The yellow one is the main unit and the black one is the accessory box. Inside it, we can see this is a DC high voltage generator, and this is accessories. So you can see this is a microammeter, this is a protection resistance, and this is a discharge rod. The high voltage output cable, and this is a control cable. Connect this one and this one, and this is the ground cable. Print paper. Now let me introduce our panel of our DHVT series DC hipot tester to you. The panel is very simple. So this is the fan. And this is the inside printer, USB port, screen, and this is used touch screen to control the whole system. And this is output. This one will connect to the high voltage generator. And this is the ground cable. And this is the power cable, and this is the power switch. So all this panel will be easily controlled by this screen. The connections is also very easy. So you can see the control unit only have one cable connect with the high voltage generator, this one. At the bottom, we connect to the control unit. At the top of it, this is a protection resistance, and this is a microammeter. And here is a high voltage output connect to our test objects. And this is a MOA. At the end of the MOA is connected to the ground. So the total connection is very simple. My friends, now I will show you the functions of our DHVT series DC hipot. Now you can see we're using the touch screen to do the control. We have serious functions. Firstly, I want to show you the menu test. It's here. So this function, we can set the voltage we need, and we can also set the protection current we need. Because this model, the maximum current is 5 microamps. So here we can set. After we set this, for example, 10 kV and 4 microamps, you will press start, and you can press the voltage up to output the voltage. You can see. And in this here, we can select the steps. The slow means the per step is very small, maybe nearly 0.3 or 0.4 kilowatts. So at the beginning, we can change to the fast mode here, and we press voltage up. So you can see the voltage will rise very quickly. So after we reached the voltage we need, and we can press the timing. And when you press the timing, it will automatically calculate the working time. So after this, when you want to stop, you just press the stop, and it will automatically reduce the output voltage and show you the result. So this is the menu test. We can do the test we did, and I strongly recommend you use the automatically test the second. So you can see, for example, today our MOA is 10 kV voltage level. Maybe here we can set 20 kV is enough, and protection it will automatically times 1.2. And the protection current we can also set, and the timing we also can set. Here we use the 30 seconds, and the both speed we set the medium, or we set others like the fast or slow leading. After you do this, you only press start, and it will automatically raise the voltage. When this one writes the setting voltage, it will automatically timing. So you can just see. When it's nearly reached to the setting voltage, the step, it will automatically change to the slow one. In case of the voltage raised over. So you can see it's timing. You will see after this, it will automatically reduce the voltage and show you the result. You can see. So here we can save the result. Now we can print it like this here. Very easy. So this model, this function were mostly used in so many situations. And I will show you the third function is the MOA test. Today our test object is also MOA. You can see it's also MOA. And now I will show you how to using our MOA test function. So in this screen, no need setting other functions. You just press start. So you will see we press start. And it will automatically rise the voltage, so you can pay attention to the current. When nearly the operation voltage of MOA, the leakage current will rise. Very obvious. So you will see. Now, when you raise a little voltage, the current will rise. Very obvious. When the current reaches to 1 microamps, it will reduce the voltage to its 75%. It will rise down the voltage. You will see here, 75%. And this value should be less than 0.1 microamps. So this means the MOA is okay. You can also print or save the result. Very easy. So these are three functions I want to introduce to you. And this is a stage test. This means you can set the different output voltage and continuous working at a time. For example, we can set maximum 6 stage. And for example, the first stage, we can set its output voltage 5 kilovolts and it continues working at 5 seconds. This here we can set to other times. And at the stage 2, we can set 20 kilovolts and also we can set the working time. After this, we press start and it will automatically output the voltage you need. This function maybe will be used in some situations. For example, some cable, when this need to do the aging test, this function will be very useful. So the fourth function is the record. All the test record is here. We can open it and print it. And the sixth function is the timing, the time of the testers. Very easy to use. After we finish the test, we should use the insulation rod to do the discharge because the DC test will store the power. All this for safety. Okay.